Man, had yet to even break out the cameras, but I got a freaking huge one on. Huge bassie. Oh, look at that spawner. Just absolutely ginormous. All fat from spawn. Good one to start the day on. Welcome back to Fishing with T-ravis. Today I'm out here on Lake St.Clair and I launched from Selfpoint boat launch. As you already saw, I got the first fish of the day in the boat, an exciting largemouth, even though this is technically the smallmouth capital of the world, but we'll see how it goes. Today it's going to be a beautiful 65-degree and sunny day with light winds, and it's early spring, so most of the bass should be either in spawn or post-spawn, and hopefully going to put a few in the boat. Mainly be working shallow docks and seawalls, and yeah, just see how it goes. I'm excited to be out here, first time on this lake, and let's put some fish in the boat. Got him. Little bassie, little bassie. Rock bassie, rock bassie. Had a bunch of little ones messing with it, but finally hooked into fish number 4. Tiny little baby bassie. Dum-dum who caught their white swim bait up there. Wasn't me, wasn't me. Got him. Alright, fish number 6 of the day. So I've concluded so far that I'm not going to have a problem catching fish. It's going to be catching nice sized fish slash the fish I want, which is smallmouth. But you know, it's been exciting just fishing this kind of shad colored swim bait with purple flecks in it, and just kind of working it just off the bottom, just up and down, and they've just been all over it. So get back to it. Man, just had my bait sitting in the water. I was paddling around, didn't even realize I had a bassie on. Fish 7, oh my gosh, fish 7 of the day. Nice little bassie, not too bad. Oh, lost him. Getting him back, getting him back. Oh. Oh, there he is. There he is. Take it, take it, take it, take it, take it. Got him. Little bassie. Fish 10. Woo! Hell of a fish. I just found a nice bed of rocks that drops off quickly, and that's where I've just caught these last 2 or 3 fish. It's just got so many fish on it, and it's like, maybe there's a big one, maybe there's not, but can't argue with catching fish. Can't argue with it. Alright, I think the rock pile is about officially fished out, and we're moving on. Little rock bassie, little rock, big rock bassie, big rock bassie. Free spinnerbait recovered from the posty thingy. Three, two, got him. Just a little one, but we got him. Dink. So I thought it was just another dinky rock bass, but turns out this little tiny bass is my first smallmouth of the day. I keep wanting to change it up from my swim bait that I've just been working off docks and rocks and just any other structure I can find out here, which is the best thing to do on this lake because there's not a lot of weed beds or drop-offs. It's pretty much shallow, so you just got to find wherever the structure is. That's where the fish are. I keep wanting to change it up from this, maybe go to deeper water, throw a crankbait or a jerkbait, but like when I'm catching fish, it's like, why would I change? I don't even want to change color. It's like, maybe there's something better, but if you're on them, you're on them. Back to it. This is literally the third straight cast that I've caught a fish. Third straight cast. That's freaking incredible. Oh, this is a decent one. Decent rock bass. Like fish 20 or something now. I'm losing track when I catch them every cast. Alright, here we go. We're gonna see for the fourth straight cast if I can't put one in the boat. No way. Got him! Fourth straight cast. Gonna be the fourth straight fish I put in the boat. They're all small, but that's just, I mean, that's ridiculous. Alright, so that last fish broke off my hook and my last soft plastic of that color. So we're going to be in search of a new color or possibly a new technique and possibly a new location as I've blown halfway out to the middle of the lake. But hopefully I can get back on the fish here soon. Got off. Nice smallmouth. First fish in a while. Alright, so after some paddling and fishing some deeper drop-offs with the jerkbait for smallmouth, which didn't succeed, I found some cleaner and a bit cooler water, which should be better for smallmouth, but the only thing I found so far is that one are some finicky little rock bass. I've even switched up colors and lure types, so it looks like I'll be paddling back soon to the more cloudy and murky water where I was catching all the smallmouth, or all the largemouth and rock bass, because that was fun, and not catching them isn't. So sucks to not be able to catch smallmouth today, but there's still a lot of fish to be caught, so I'm gonna go catch them. Tiny fish, but we're back in them, baby, back in them. Move back to the shallow rock piles and dock pilings that are in slightly dirtier water, and what do you know, first cast, first fish. As you can see, it's been an absolutely epic day. I'm just reeling in fish after fish, but I've still yet to find the bigger ones or the smallmouth, so I don't know if they're deeper or I need to use a different lure or what, but it's hard to beat fishing shallow structure and just catching fish after fish. So hopefully some bigger ones will bite soon, but if not, it's okay. What the heck is this? What the heck? Is that a freaking white bass or just a rock bass with no color? Think we might have a nicer one on. Maybe. It's fighting like it. Oh, it's just another big rock bass. Big rock bass. GoPro, start recording. All right. Oh my gosh, we found the big one. Come here, baby. Come here. Freaking monster. Oh. Oh. Not super huge, but pretty nice. Pretty nice. Also, I've switched from that lighter shad color / white to this darker olive as the suns come up, and you know, it's really been doing better. It's doing good. It was a good color change. Color changes never hurt, and sometimes as the sun comes up and the water color changes, you really do need to change that color. All right, nice sized bass have started biting, baby. Next cast, baby, next cast. Another nice bass. On him now, baby. Whoa. Calm down, buddy. Gotcha. Got a nice one on. Caught on the drop shot with a green tube. Oh! No! I didn't get to hold him up for you. How sad. Rock bassy. All right, this is fish number, I have no clue anymore. I lost count a long time ago. With this fish, I'll conclude the video. Obviously, the switch to green from shad / white color earlier really made the difference. I caught some big bass later in the day. I never ended up catching any smallmouth like I wanted to, but oh well. I caught a lot of other fish. And definitely going to come back to Lake St. Clair sometime, and if you like bass fishing and you're from the Midwest, you should definitely think about visiting here, because it was great. Literally great. And if you have a boat with sonar and really know what you're doing more than me, you can probably catch even more, which is crazy, because I probably caught 40 to 50, which for me, that's a lot. But hope you enjoyed watching the video, and hope you can get out and do some fishing of your own. And that's all for Fishing with T-ravis.